If you go to get a verification code on your iPhone, but it's not working, it's not sending it to your iPhone so that you can log into any app or website, I'll show you the number of different steps that we'll take to definitely get that fixed. So let's jump right in. The first thing that you're going to do is take your finger and swipe down from the top right. And you're going to tap on the airplane mode just to toggle that on for a second. And then tap on airplane mode to toggle it off. This just reconnects to your cellular network to see if that works. If that doesn't work for you, let's head into the settings app of your iPhone. From the settings app, just tap on the search bar and we're going to search for phone here. And then tap on the phone app at the top. After you've opened this up, let's make a number of different changes. The first thing, of course, is check my number. Make sure that is the number you're using for the verification code. Scroll down from here, and I would recommend under screen unknown callers and call filtering, try toggling these on and off. You can see call filtering will filter unknown callers, aka those verification codes, as well as spam, and as well as call blocking. You can see if you have call blocking turned on, you might want to turn it off. So if I toggle these off and then back on, it will reorganize everything so that you'll be able to find all of those codes in your messages, and I'll show you how to do that. Open up the Messages app on your iPhone, tap on the filter icon at the top right. And now I would recommend first going to unknown senders. You can see it says basically a number in here in my unknown senders, but it doesn't show any codes. So you can also go to spam here and you can see if it pops into your spam folder. So I would recommend going through all of these, try even promotions or transactions because maybe it is categorized in the wrong section. Now, after you've done all of that, let's go back into the settings app of your iPhone and go back to the beginning. So I'm going to exit out of here and go back to the beginning. Tap on cellular midway down and just toggle off your phone number line. You can see my eSIM. I'm just going to toggle it off for a little bit. After a few seconds, just tap on it and turn it back on. Again, this will reconnect to your cell line. A lot of times this fixes any kind of issues you have with your cell signal, and those verification codes will come through. Now, if that still doesn't work, let's make sure you haven't blocked that phone number. So tap on search again and just search for block. And on here, we're going to go to blocked contacts. You can see it show up a number of different places. Doesn't really matter where you go. Just tap on blocked contacts and then just tap on the blocked contacts. You'll be able to see in here all of the blocked contacts and phone numbers. If you see any phone numbers that are basically 4 or 5 numbers, they're not the normal numbers that you would typically see, then essentially try to unblock them. And you can do that just by swiping to the left and tapping on unblock, because potentially by unblocking them, you have blocked a phone number that would text that code to you. So you could also try unblocking all of those phone numbers. Now, if that still doesn't work for you, let's do a hard reset on your iPhone. To do that, you're going to press the volume up, press the volume down, and then press and hold the side button until you see an Apple logo. So I'll show you how that works. Volume up, volume down, and press and hold that side button. Just keep holding it, even though it says slide to power off. Wait until your iPhone screen goes completely black, and then keep holding it until you see the Apple logo appear. In a few seconds, it'll appear just like that. Release your fingers, and you've done a hard reset. I hope this helps. I know you're busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of your day here with me, and I'll catch you on the next one.